Welcome to MSL Park Motors Mercedes-Benz. Today I want to show you a 2017 BMW 420 diesel automatic. This is the range topping model. It's the M Sport, so it has some really nice features. At the front, and visually you can tell it's an M Sport, the car has a body kit. So the front bumper in this case is lower and it's more pronounced. You have the full LED headlights, which are much brighter at night time. On the side, the M Sport kit gives you the upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels. Car sits a little bit lower as well, not much, still very comfortable, but just tuned a little bit more for a sporty feel. Along the side, your side sills protrude out further. If you have a quick look inside, obviously it's metallic silver and it's finished with a full black leather interior. The passenger seat, which is really nice, is fully electric with lumbar support. And in the back, so you can get an idea, there's lots of space there. You have 2 seat belts, ISOFIX points, armrest is all there. The car is opted with privacy glass in the back windows. At the rear, again that M Sport theme continues. You have your more aggressive rear bumper. You get your chrome exhaust tips as well, which finish off to look very nicely. In the boot, there's a huge amount of space. And the seats fold down as well. If you are looking to put anything longer in, they can swallow it all up. You can see I have your LED rear lights too, which look very smart. So the outside very much set up for a sporty, aggressive look. And that theme continues on the inside as well. Let's turn those off. With the M Sport, you gain your black roof lining. So normally that would be grey. You have your sport seats, which hug around you better. Like the passenger side, this one is fully electric, and it also has a memory function. If there's 2 drivers, at the touch of a button you can change the seat setup. It'll also change the mirrors as well to suit who's ever driving. And if we sit in, the car has keyless start. All we do, push the stop start button, and that's the car started up. With the M Sport, you also gain the sports steering wheel. It's smaller, chunkier. You have paddles on it as well, so you can change up and down the gears manually if you wished. In terms of mileage, there is 17,642 miles on this car at the moment. It's loaded with options. This area here is the main area for your satellite navigation and your radio. Let me just bring up the navigation so you can see it. So obviously all of Ireland, the UK and Europe is there. When you go into reverse, your parking sensors appear. So you have them there front and back with the visual display. These buttons here, you can actually assign them to do certain jobs. In theory, you could have, say, if you push number 1, call work. Number 2 could be go home. In terms of your satellite navigation, it could be set up to do that. So really interesting and really fast track buttons for finding your way around the car. You have your dual climate control, so you can have the left and the right hand side of the cabin split into 2 different temperatures if you like. You have heated seats on both sides, which are a must. Down here, you've got big cubby holes. You can close it over as well if you didn't want it on show. As I mentioned, you have your automatic gearbox. At the moment it's in park. To go into drive, simply finger on the side and pull it back, and you can see that green LED is lit up. To go back into park, just push one button on the top and it is as simple as that. You can tune how the car responds to your driving and to roads, in that there's a sport mode, a comfort mode, an eco mode, and you can change those all at the touch of a button down there. And this area here, is controlling your radio screen. So you can change for your maps, your media, your USB connections, and navigate basically the whole car at your fingertips, just there as it would naturally rest. So it's very ergonomic. This car is available at the moment, and it's the later 172 plate for what it's worth. Very low mileage, and if you'd like to organise a test drive, please give us a call on 01 869 1000 and we'd be delighted to help you out. Thanks for watching.